I'm Andrea.
And I'm Krista,
And we're
Soulfull in Soil. Welcome to today's video where we're going to show you how to build your 4x6 no-till square foot garden. The last video and post was all about how to plan out how to plant this, so let's get building. Okay, so we're out here right now in Andrea's garden, and it is a blank slate with Andrea's garden. She has clay soil, so we are doing this garden on her soil. We are going to go through the base of it. We are doing a no-till square foot garden. So basically the clay is going to stay in the bottom. We're going to put a barrier of cardboard. Cardboard is still considered organic, even though you'll have some controversy over the glue that's in it. But if you would want to be certified organic, you can use cardboard and it's still considered okay. Then we're going to hill some compost, which I've brought from our farm, onto the top and make a 4x6 garden, and that's how we're going to build it. So if we back up a little bit, you'll see that we have the silage tarp already on it. This is to keep the moisture in, and it is also to kill any weeds underneath, and we have staked it. Hopefully you can see that we've staked it. You can see where Andrea is. We've staked it for our shape and our size, and then Andrea's going to have different pathways around her garden when she does her other types of gardens. Here you're going to see so many different styles of gardens. She's going to do in-ground gardening. This is kind of more on top gardening. She has some raised garden beds. She's going to be using fabric cloth. Yep. So there's lots and lots of different varieties in this garden. We're going to show you all of them, which is going to be really fun to just compare and see. So let's get started.
Okay, so we've now laid our cardboard as our weed barrier, followed by the compost. Now we're going to tarp the garden again, and that will kill off any weed seeds that have found their way into the compost, and we'll start to warm the soil to prep it for planting. If you want to find out more about why we do tarping, make sure you check our previous blog post where we talk all about tarping and why we do it.
And we'll link it below, so check out all the links below. All right. The garden is tarped and we're ready. We're gonna leave it on for a couple of weeks. If you're wondering why did we choose this type of garden over the raised bed garden or an in-ground garden, follow our blog post. We'll link it below. It also has a quiz on it so you can figure out what's best for your garden type, what things we think about and why we chose this.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you receive notifications for all our next videos. Our next video is going to show you us planting this little garden of ours. Thank you for joining us. We are Soulfull in Soil, where we show you how to grow your own food from seed to table and nourish your life.